You like it? Alright, let's try on the next two, see if we like them.
Like all of it.
Wow. That's nice, right? You like it?
Of course I like that.
Oh my god. Alright. Try on the next one and see if this is alright. Is good?
Yeah.
You want one to carry down?
Yeah.
Or you can drink that like if you want to take down, alright?
So guys, you share drinks with me. I love it.
You got the bag? Come fold them and put in your bag, man. Come.
Hello guys.
What's your name again?
Omar.
Omar. I'm gonna give you a toothpaste one and a soap. It's not much, but you know, I try to share it, alright? Alright, and these, we're gonna fold them up nice. And put them in your bag, alright? Yeah. Next time when I come in, I try to bring some shoes for you too, alright? Yeah. That's large. But guess what? Since I know your size, next time when I come, I'll bring some school stuff for you. What color shoes do you wear at school?
Yeah.
But next year, God spare your life, I'll bring down some school stuff for you and some other stuff, alright? Yeah.
So y'all vlog now?
Yeah man, we vlog man. That's how we do the thing, man. That's how we do the thing, bro.
It's a real channel?
Yeah man, Malik Robinson TV and Up in the Hills. I have 2 channels running. Yeah, 2 channels. Yeah.
Oh, you vlog then?
Right now, I'm filming it. And after I film it, then I edit it and then I upload it.
And slippers.
And slippers, you want slippers too. You know, it's not about the brand. You see, like if you think about brand every time, when somebody, if you don't worry about brand, when somebody is giving you something because a brand, you may not take it. You see it? So if because somebody give you something, don't worry about the brand because they're giving you it out of the goodness of their heart. You see it? You understand what I say? You sure? Alright, but definitely man. Respect.
And subscribe to my TV.
That's how we do it, guys. So as you can see, little Mr. Allen right here, you know, I spoke to his father and said, yo, make your son come check me, man. I got something for him, and you know, it's not a lot, but you know, out of what we got, you know, we try to share it and you know, make somebody feel good. And that's what we have been doing since I touched down in Jamaica. Eh? Oh? No man, the clothing that I have is for kids.
Oh,
It's for small boys.
so where's the baby kids?
Eh?
Where's the baby kids?
Yeah man, they go to the country here as them, man. That's how we do it, man.
Yeah, how you go driving now?
Taxi. That's how you do it. Hey, that's how you...
They go there, you want taxi to carry around everywhere?
No sir, just take a taxi. And just anyway taxi let me have me just let me think.
Go vlog right this again.
Yeah. About too much work? Crazy, right? When you love a thing, that's how you stay. See? You want a juice?
Yeah.
Alright, give you a juice. Talk to the viewers there, man.
Yeah guys, you need to like this channel. I can make you guys laugh.
This is good.
Yeah!
You want one to carry down?
Yeah.
Or you can drink that, I'll give you one to take down, alright?
So guys, you share drinks with me. I love it.
You can't take down this one. If we help somebody this year, we not promise that we don't help you next year. Because if we help you if we help you every year, that means somebody else not go get. You understand what I mean? We can't help everybody every year. You understand what I mean? For example, me help you now, even though me promise to say me don't bring you something. The following year, me not go have you on my list. Me have to move on to help somebody else so that somebody else can receive the blessing. You see, that's how we do it. Alright? Guys, Listen, this is it. This young man right here, I'm gonna get the size shoes and slippers from his father, or the size shoes that he wear. And if you wanna donate a slippers, buy a pair of slippers or buy a pair of shoes for him, yo, you know the thing would greatly appreciate it. You see, that's how we do it over here, Manix Robinson TV, up in the hills. If you wanna donate something, you know, I will let him get it, you know, so he can, you know, enjoy himself. That's how we do it. All right. Any of you wanna, you know, donate to buy a pair of shoes, pair of sandals, slippers, yo, I will drop the size in the description. You can check it out. My phone number is also in the description. You can reach out to me, you know, and bless a young child in Jamaica. Cause as you see for yourself, you know, out of the little that you get, you know, you donate, you know, we are making him feel happy. He love the thing them. That's how we do it. So guys, thanks again for tuning in. Really appreciate it. Respect, yes sir? And take it easy, alright? And make sure you put your head to your book. You hear me I say? You're serious, you know? You're serious. Put your head to your book. And listen to what teacher has telling you in school. Alright? Blessings. Bye. Alright guys, see you again. Have yourself a good one. Alright, Mr. Allen. Bless up yourself, bro. So there you have it again, guys. We just do the thing again. Bless up a little young school lad, you know, and making him feel happy. That's how we do it, guys. Up in the hills. Even though I live up in the hills, far from the crowd, you know, we still share the love and we still share the goodness. Bless up yourself, young fam, for making it happen in Jamaica. Thank you for your donation. Thank you for contributing these items to give away in Jamaica. Much love, much respect to you, my sister. Blessing and prosperity to you. Big up all the channel members, them viewers and subscribers, all of you guys that, you know, that are supporting the channel and all of that good stuff. Keep on doing the work, guys. Alright? So see you again, guys. Have yourself a blessed one. As you can see, the ray of the sun is coming over. The sun is getting ready to set. So bless up yourself. Be blessed. Be safe on the journey. Much love every time. Bye bye. Hey, what's up? You good? Brownie. You good? You good, Brownie? You good?